In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build a custom coded template in HubSpot. In order to do that, you can first navigate to the Design Tools, head over to the Marketing tab, and then from in there, click onto the files and templates that you have available. Alternatively, you can also search for Design Tools by clicking on the search right here and search for Design Tools. Here we have our Design Manager, so click on that. In here, you have the option to create the file, so click on this Create File option. And then choose right here how you want it built, like HTML, module, or CSS and HubL. I'll just choose HTML and click on Next. Once we're done with this, we can choose right here a template or template partial. Choose in here the template type and input right here the file name. So for example, let's just name this as index. Then click on Create. After that, the file will be created and you can just start coding right here. Do take note that you need to be knowledgeable in coding in order to design this. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up on HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.